Hello you guys, good morning. Welcome to my 23-week vlog. It is absolutely freezing outside. I am not ready for this whatsoever. We're at that point where the leaves are really starting to fall down. They're still so colorful, but they're starting to get bare and it's getting really cold, especially in the mornings. When I walk Kobe, I am quite literally in like 3 layers and then a big Sherpa jacket that I wear from Muscle Nation. I have to go with a hat and I don't know why I can't find gloves anywhere or mittens, so I need to go pick some up. This is what baby boy is looking like this morning. Amazon is pretty crazy. They brought my package from like between 4 a.m. and 8 a.m. this morning, so I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. I was thinking this week to add in like a full week of workouts into my pregnancy vlog, just to kind of show you guys what my weeks are looking like in terms of like an exercise routine while I'm in my second trimester, which leads me to why I want to show you this package. One thing that I've been absolutely loving wearing are these ribbed rompers from Amazon. I have this blue one that's like there's no sleeves and it's shorts and it's a one piece, but like it is so stretchy. I wore this a lot in the summer, just like walking around when I was like super bloated in the first trimester, but because it's so stretchy, it actually feels really good to wear when I work out. Obviously it's cold outside, so I'm not wearing this like outside, but to the gym, like I'll just put track pants over top and then work out in this. So I did order another color. I got brown. That one is coming tomorrow. This package is the same thing, but it is actually a long version. So instead of shorts, it's pants. Oh wait, I totally lied. The long version I ordered in brown, and then the shorter version, it's like a dark olive green. So that is what it looks like. I did order this in a size large just because the blue that I have, one, I've had it for a couple of years, so it's a little bit worn out. So it's not as tight, but with the growing belly, I feel like, you know, especially like a new pair, it's definitely stretchy, but it's a little bit tighter. So I went with a size large so that it can just grow with my belly a little bit more. I love the brown too because it's perfect for fall. So like if I want to wear this, I can throw a sweater over top and Uggs and like a jacket and go outside for errands. It also does come with padding, which is great. And this is not specifically a maternity jumpsuit. This is just like an average person everyday jumpsuit, which I love because I'll get use out of it when I'm not pregnant as well. This is what the outfit looks like on. I put a pair of Muscle Nation crew socks on. I threw my hair up in a ponytail and I put a brown little headband. Oh my god, why did I have a brain fart there? That is pregnancy brain for you. As well as a silky brown scrunchie. Oh my god, pregnancy brain is no joke. So I'm having a full brown moment, but the large is perfect. The bump is bumping. I feel super comfortable in this. Like honestly, going to the gym has been a little bit hard because gym clothes especially aren't really fitting how they normally do. So I just like feeling super comfortable. I appreciate that it comes with padding, and overall I just feel really good. I did have some quick oatmeal for breakfast, and now we're gonna head to the gym and do a full body workout, and we're gonna do some pelvic floor exercises, core exercises, all of the good stuff that we need to prep for delivery.
The door is open, I could walk right in. Ooh, but it's so much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still. Cause you won't wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even if the odds are in my favor, I just need more time. So if you wait just a little bit longer, I will treat you right. Treat you right, yeah. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now. Right now. Cause someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try. So
my god, I just got back from finishing my workout. It was a quick 40 minutes, literally in and out. I thought I had to go downtown Toronto today to a job site, but I'm having my 2 employees go for me because they finished their job early. I need to get a check picked up from a customer. So that's why I was kind of doing a quick workout, but now I can kind of relax. It was a little bit weird. I was having like my stomach was feeling a little bit odd. Like I just felt like a little bit of pressure. I couldn't tell if I needed to pee or not. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go to the washroom. And lo and behold, it was because I literally had to pee my pants. I don't know why, I just couldn't feel it. I don't know, like baby must be pressing somewhere. So I went pee and then it relieved the like little pressure I was feeling. So I was like slightly worried for a second because I was like, oh my god, did I hurt myself while working out? But it's all good. Happy with my workout and I feel really good. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside, eat, shower, do all the things. I'm out of the shower and I figured let's tackle baby stats right now. So today, 23 weeks, 1 day, and baby is the size of a carrot. Disney baby milestones, baby's as big as Peter Pan's hat. Movie and TV props, baby's as big as the pink milkshake with whipped cream from Greece. Lots of food things this week, so I definitely need to get a milkshake and I definitely need to bake or eat something with carrot in it. 80s and 90s nostalgia, baby's as big as a Furby. Snacks, baby's as big as a medium-sized water bottle. And I don't know if this one's true. Sports, baby's as big as American football. I feel like that's way too big. This is what baby looks like this week. He is definitely getting bigger. So this week marks a few things. He is just over 11 inches long and he is over 1 pound in weight. The app does say he's gonna be gaining a lot of weight in the next 4 weeks. He will be doubling in size, which is crazy to think about because that also means my belly's gonna probably get pretty big over the next month. This week actually marks the first week of the 6th month of pregnancy. So I guess technically for the next 4 weeks, I can say I'm 6 months pregnant. It says right now baby skin is still saggy, but fat is going to start catching up and kind of like filling things in. And you may be able to hear your baby's heartbeat through a stethoscope. So usually you have to use like a Doppler to hear the heartbeat, but the app says as of this week, there's a chance that you could hear it through a stethoscope. That is what baby looks like inside my tummy. In terms of myself this week, definitely, again, still at night, the heartburn. I know I showed in a vlog a couple weeks ago, but that little like, it's called linea nigra is starting to get slowly darker. My body is starting to ache a little bit more, especially in my hips. So I've been really trying to stretch them out and do a lot of like pelvic floor exercises. During the day, honestly, and even at night, it's not that bad. It's just when I am sleeping because you have to be on your side. Like I actually am like sleeping on my side for like a couple hours and I wake up to like just an aching in like my glute medius almost and like the hip area. I don't know. I think because I lay on it so long and like my body is starting to gain weight that it just like there's so much pressure it just starts to ache. Otherwise, I wouldn't say really anything else. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm still getting like some discoloration on my face. So here and like above there is like really the only marks that I'm getting, which is called melasma. I know I've talked about that also in another video, but other than that, not too much going on right now. It has turned out to be such a crappy day. The weather is cold, it's dark, it's rainy, it's just so blah. So I figured we would sit down and I would show you guys my diaper bag. I am so excited. This has been sitting in the box for I think 5 weeks, which is a little bit crazy, but I did get a diaper bag pretty early. If you guys remember, I believe it was when I was 18 weeks, I went to the Toronto baby show with my husband just to like look around and I fell in love with this diaper bag. So he bought it for me and I felt like it was kind of too early to unbox it. Plus I also wanted to record it and I just kept getting pushed to the side, but I did just record an unboxing for Instagram and TikTok because I wanted it vertical. So I took off all the plastic and packaging already, but I kind of put it back together because I wanted to give you guys somewhat the same experience of me like unboxing it. So I went with the diaper bag from Enya Mond. Truthfully, before this baby show, I never heard of this brand before, but I believe it's woman owned. You might have to fact check me on that, but I know 100% it is Canadian made, which obviously I'm in Canada, so I gravitated towards that. And it's also like a luxury diaper bag. Oh, it is so so good. So the bag I specifically got is called the Luna bag. They do have some variations and options. Some are a little bit smaller and just look different. And I got it in the color Onyx, which is the black color. First and foremost, there is a little note and it says, "Welcome to Enya Mond, where love, inspiration, and elegance come together to celebrate the beautiful journey of motherhood. Our products are crafted with the utmost care and attention to detail, ensuring a seamless blend of style, functionality, and quality. We are committed to providing mothers with the opportunity to express their personal style and feel empowered. Thank you for being a part of our story, and we look forward to being a part of yours." That is so stinking cute. This is obviously not sponsored. Alan, my husband, spent his own money on this. I just genuinely love it, and I want to show you guys what I'm going to be using. When you buy designer bags, they always come in these like really nice bags, which my diaper bag did. So hey, I love that. This is going to be great for storing it. And this is her. Oh my god, she is stunning. I love her. So we will start with the front. Obviously everything is black and then all of the accents are gold. It says Enya Mond on the front. You open this part up and this is where the main like cavity is. So you just unzip it. And this is what the inside looks like. There's a lot of space and honestly pockets everywhere. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's technically 6 pockets. And there's also a zipper here. So if you want to throw stuff in there as well. What I love about this is on the very back, I don't know if you guys can see, I might have to like show you it on a different angle, but you can open this part up and the diaper bag actually comes with its own like portable change table, or not a table, but like a changing pad. On the one side, it's the black leather, again, very good material, and then it's like the canvas material on the inside. So whenever I'm out with baby and I need to change him, like in the women's washroom at the mall or whatever, I have a portable changing pad with me already, which is, I love that. And obviously it folds up super easy. We can throw it back in. Also on the front, there is this very big pocket. I love that it's kind of quilted. So it's like offsetting like the texture. I just love that. And again, pretty big. It has a couple pockets and then another zipper on this side. So there is definitely a lot of areas for storage. On both sides of the bag, there's another little pocket. So this honestly is probably where I'm going to throw maybe like drinks, like a water bottle or something. And then when you flip to the back, it is actually a backpack. So we have the big straps. However, there is a kicker, which I'll get to in a second. There is a big back pocket as well as another zipper on the bottom. You can unzip and store some things on the back end as well. And then last but not least, there's also another zipper on the side so you can store things here. What absolutely 100% sold me on this diaper bag is that it comes with straps for your stroller. I will insert a picture here of how they had it set up at the baby show, but basically if I don't feel like wearing it as a backpack, if I don't feel like putting it in the like little stroller, what's the word I'm looking for? Like the little under storage. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm blanking. You can quite literally strap it up to the handle of the stroller and then just push it and the bag hangs. Initially, I wanted like a brownie taupey colored one. It looked absolutely stunning, but we ended up getting a stroller that's black and green. So I figured I didn't want to mix brown into that as well. So I went with the black. Oh my god, this weather is making me so tired, but on Wednesdays I do go to prenatal yoga. I started this, I believe, when I was 16 weeks pregnant or 18. I can't remember. I think so far I've gone to 10 classes and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna get ready for that now. The unfortunate thing is I can't take you guys along with me because it is a smaller studio. We're not allowed to do any recording there. And because I go to a Wednesday night class, it's always busy. There's always 8 spots available, but it's pretty much always full. Like there's never less than 7 usually. If I ever do go to a class where it just happens to be me, maybe I will ask the instructor if I can record so I can show you guys. But unfortunately I can't for tonight, but I wanted to let you know that this is what I do every Wednesday. It's an hour class. It does a lot of modifications for yoga, obviously. All of the women that go there are pregnant themselves. Most are in the 2nd or 3rd trimester. We do a lot of pelvic floor stuff, just like opening up the hips and just getting ready for labor and delivery. I'm already wearing these leggings, so I think I'm just gonna stick with them. And then I was thinking just honestly wearing this shirt. I'm just having a green moment today. It is pretty cold in the studio sometimes because it's like a small studio. So I don't know. I think I'll throw that on and call it a day.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact. Taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light.
Just got back from the gym and holy moly, baby boy is so active this morning. And it's so weird because honestly, maybe it's because I have an anterior placenta, but some days I hardly feel him. And then some days, like last night and this morning, he is so active and I feel him so much. It's definitely very weird. The days that I don't feel him as much, it does give me a little bit of anxiety because I'm like, is he okay? Did something happen? But I truly think like he's just sleeping. But like, my goodness, this morning from like 6:30 to 7:30, I couldn't even sleep because he was just kicking me so much. So I was just laying in bed. And then I just did my workout. It was very quick, very good workout actually. I didn't record my warm-up just because it's literally the same thing I showed you guys earlier in the week. And I had to be a little bit quicker today. It was literally like a 35-minute workout because I do have a lot on the go, but he is just like kicking. It's like a soccer game in there or something. I think this is probably gonna be my last workout of the weekend because today is Friday and it's also Halloween. I know by the time you're watching this video, it's like a week or two later, but we're having a Halloween party tomorrow. So I don't think I'm gonna go to yoga. I don't know. I just want to prepare for the party. 3 workouts this week. I'm just being very realistic. Sometimes it's 3 times, sometimes it's 4 times, sometimes it's only 2 times a week. So I think I'm gonna actually end this vlog. 23 weeks, 4 days today. Very crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe to me down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.